You don't hate prayer. You don't reject Allah. Yet namaz keeps slipping away. Not suddenly, not dramatically, quietly. And one day you realize you didn't walk away from namaz. You just stopped returning. Let's be clear. Most people who struggle with namaz believe in it completely. They know its importance. They respect it. The problem isn't belief. The problem is disconnection. Nobody quits namaz on purpose. It starts small. A delayed prayer, a rushed prayer, a prayer without presence, then one missed prayer, then the most dangerous sentence. I've already missed one. That sentence kills consistency faster than doubt ever could. Modern life trains the brain to respond to urgency. Emails demand attention. Deadlines shout. Notifications interrupt. Namaz doesn't compete. It waits. And in a noisy world, quiet obligations are ignored. Not because they matter less, but because they don't scream. Here's the paradox. The more guilty you feel, the harder it becomes to pray. Because guilt lies. It says, you're inconsistent. You're unworthy. Fix yourself first. But namaz was never for the perfect. It was for those who were struggling. Avoiding prayer because of sin is like avoiding medicine because you're ill. The battle is not between you and laziness. It's between routine and return. Consistency doesn't mean never falling. It means never staying down. Missing a prayer isn't the danger. Getting comfortable missing it is. If you truly didn't care, you wouldn't feel this discomfort. That heaviness when adhan plays? That quiet guilt? That's not distance. That's faith trying to breathe. A dead heart feels nothing. What if consistency was never about perfection? What if it was about returning? Returning after gaps. Returning after failure. Returning without excuses. Allah never asked for streaks. He asked for sincerity. If today, all you can manage is one honest prayer, that's not failure. That's the beginning. Namaz was never meant to prove your strength. It exists to remind you where strength comes from.